This African grain market overview is made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa.
Welcome viewers. This week we look at the Zambia wheat market where the next import campaign is imminent. Let's recap the S&D picture. The 2025-26 year S&D forecast runs from September 2025 to August 2026 and includes the crop that harvested late 2025. Most production forecasts in the region of 300,000 tons. Estimates the Zambia local market consumes in the region of 280 to 300,000 tons of wheat annually, while around 200,000 tons of wheat are usually exported to the southern DRC in the form of wheat flour. Carry-in stocks expected to be small. Therefore, the Zambian 2025-26 year import need should be at least 200,000 tons, in line with last year. The private sector, which include millers and farmers, agreed on 300,000 tons of imports for 2026 back in November, which government endorsed this week. Apparently, government released a list this week indicating allowed import volumes per miller. We understand only millers got allocations, traders did not. Indications government this week removed import duties and the surcharge for wheat import from now until the end of August, but the SI has not been published yet. So, the next obvious question is how this can impact price trend short, medium term. This graph indicates the price history of wheat in Lusaka. Current price at $550 per ton. Spot Black Sea import parity, excluding the import levy and surcharge, at $440 per ton. See the red line. South African import parity, excluding the surcharge, at $510 per ton. See the blue line. If international prices remain at current levels, price indications for the next 5 to 6 months could be in the $440 to $510 per ton bracket between the red and blue lines. We expect the majority of imports will be deep sea, given competitive international prices, and less could be sourced from South Africa. So, gas prices could trend close to the lower end of our suggested spread. The last point we quickly want to touch on is the outlook for the next crop to plant from May. Irrigation dams are full. At this stage, no significant load shedding expected for the rest of the year, and farmers received relatively good prices for the 2025 crop. Our contacts feel record planting area is possible. Next week, we will discuss the impact the record large Zambia FRA maize stockpile could have on Zambia maize prices next 12 months. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Don't miss the Zematic offer. Special promotional pricing on Zematic's 9500P and 7500P pivots with complete pivot, pump house and pipeline system options available. Financing through Standard Bank makes it easier than ever to invest in quality that lasts for years. Speak to your nearest Lindsay dealer today or call 021 986 8900 for more information. Terms and conditions apply. This episode was made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Thanks for tuning in this week and see you next week again.